May ongoing debate ngayon sa basketball community. May limit ba ang height ng isang basketball player? Is there such a thing as being too tall? Ano tingin nyo mga kabola?
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
Hi mga kabola, this is Coach R, your basketball analyst and sports equipment reviewer. Sa laro ng basketball, lagi sinasabi, height is might. Or you can't coach height. Sa Tagalog, iba na matangkad. Pero, may height limit ba talaga ang larong basketball? Pwede bang masyadong matangkad na ang player para maglaro? Yan ang alamin natin sa report ng ating loyal correspondent na si Ate Jessie.
Maganda yung topic mo, Coach, no? Because kakonti lang naman talaga ang mga higante sa sport ng basketball. When we say higante, we're talking about yung mga 7, 6, and up. Maraming 7'4", 7'3", pero parang common na yun. Yung mga 7, 6, and up, yan talaga yung sabihin nating kakaiba. We gathered sa research natin kung ilan ba talaga ang mga basketball players na umabot ng at least 7'6". And kukunti lang sila. Sinabi kong very timely yung topic mo, Coach, kasi yung isa naglaro dito. Alamin natin mamaya kung sino yan. No? Pero sa list natin, there are only 11 players, past and present, na 7'6" and above. Simulan natin sa NBA players, Coach. Sa NBA, ang pinakamatangkat, dalawa yan. Dalawang 7'7". George Muresan and Manute Bol. If I remember right, parehong ano yan, Washington Bullets yung karo. So si George Muresan is a Romanian and he played for 7 seasons from 1993 to 2000. Manute Bol, he played 10 seasons from 85 to 94 for various teams. So, sabi natin Washington Bullets, Golden State, 76ers, Miami. Ito yung sunod, recently lang to, no? 2019 to 2022 for the Boston Celtics, si Taco Fall. Fortunately, he's not in the league anymore. Then, of course, Yao Ming. Who doesn't know Yao Ming? 7'6", played 9 seasons for Houston Rockets as their franchise player. Next is Sean Bradley. I remember Sean Bradley from 76ers. Naglaro rin yan about more than 10 seasons. Magaling din yan, shot blocker. So far, sa NBA, sila palang 5 ang umabot ng 7'6". Sa non-NBA naman, kakunti rin ang 7'6" and above. Of course, pinakamatapat na dyan, 7'11", na African, si Dick Naija, si Adegoke, who is 7'11", pero hindi naman talaga player, no? Of course, kahit hindi naman tumarin yan, nakaabot na ng wing. Pero dati, medyo nagkaroon ng fanfare yan because of yung dap niya over siya. Would try to get the video of that. At 7'10", merong Libyan, si Sulaiman Ali Nash or Nush. At 7'9", ito pala natin si Sun Mingming. May naruto si Sun Mingming, kaso lang nagkaroon yata ng sakit. No? He required some surgeries, kaya naapektuhan yung game niya. So he played in the American minor leagues and in the CBA sa China. Another one at 7'9", who is currently playing college ball for the Florida Gators, is itong Canadian, si Oliver Ryu. Spelled as Ryu, but Ryu yan. He's also part, I think, of the Canadian men's national team. At 7'7", actually 7'6.5 or 7'6.5 is Sam Deguara. Ito na nga. Ito na yung laro for Zamboanga Valientes Vicentino. Is in the country and maswerte tayo because minsan lang makita ng mga higante dito sa bansa natin. And from the looks of it, try to get videos also of Deguara's play. May laro si Deguara. Of course, hindi ganun kabilis, no? Kasi yung mga higanteng ganito, restricted na mobility. Pero si Sam may katawan and may footwork. And lastly, you have a 7'6 player, si Slavko Vranes of Montenegro. Actually, he played 1 game sa NBA. Hindi ko na kung counted yun or hindi. So, dapat yata na sa kabilang list siya. Meron pa pala ako habol coach si Mamadou Ndiaye. He's 7'6 and played in the US for UC Irvine but did not make it to the NBA. So, yan ang report natin, coach. Back to you.
Thank you, Ate Jessie, no? Very insightful yung report mo. So, balik tayo sa question. May maximum height ba ang basketball? Mahirap sagutin actually yung question na yan, no? Because it depends on the type of play ngayon. No? Sabi nga nila, basketball now is positionless. No? And it requires a lot of ball movement. No? So, sa game ngayon, feeling ko, ang mag-excel is hindi na ganun katatangkad. Wala na masyadong need for a very tall player. No? Probably 7'2" or 7 to 7'2". Yan na yung mga hinahanap ngayon. Gone were the days na tapon mo lang yung bola sa loob, shoot na yung patangkad. So yes, the answer for that question, sa game ngayon, yes, there is a limit. No? And I think we require now more of the mobile big man as compared to your typical stereotype center of before.